It's the only profitable new business company to go public so far. It's created a new market in India, and guess what? It's a woman-led enterprise. So that's three rare things coming together.
And in a few years, it became one of the most profitable startups in the country. In 2020, Nykaa became a unicorn, and in 2021, it went public.
The most sought after, the most chased, and the most infamous listings of its times. The stock, by the way, is now struggling at its 52-week low.
From its post-listing high, the stock has actually corrected over 60% and it's fallen below the IPO price of 1125.
और एक खबर भी है, इंटरेस्टिंग खबर है, नायका बोनस शेयर पर विचार करने वाली सर।
Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. Is this the right time to enter into the Nykaa company after a big move yesterday? If you think yes, please put your comments. In this video, we're going to discuss about the company's growth as well as the stock price movements with the help of fundamental analysis as well as the technical analysis. On 20th October 2021, Nykaa launched its IPO and became a sunshine in the Indian stock market. It's because that's the only e-commerce in the women's beauty products at the time, and most of the investors thought that it's going to give a good competition to the Amazon when it comes into the zone of e-commerce and women's beauty products. But after the IPO launched, the stock price hit a skyrocket, which is almost like 2,575 rupees. But the actual IPO issue price was 1,125 rupees, which is almost like 1,000 rupees increase within a very short span of time. Whoever invested into the Nykaa company at the time of the IPO launch, they got a tremendous profits within a very short span of time. Once after that, after a quarter, something crazy happened within the company. Due to the reason, the Nykaa's company's growth as well as the Nykaa's stock price started falling heavily from an all-time high to a 52-week low and then an all-time low right now. Currently, the stock is trading exactly at an all-time low. So most of the investors are thinking that the stock is getting in a very cheaper price because the women's beauty products are having a huge demand in the reason they are thinking of investing right now. Let me explain you with the help of fundamental analysis as well as the technical analysis and as well as the market competency. When it comes into the market competency, Reliance Retail Industries is entering into the sector of women's beauty products, which is going to be happen in this year. So it's going to give a huge competition to the Nykaa's products because Reliance Retail Industries has a huge lump sum amount in hand. So the reason they could able to invest and they could able to build many stores within any big city in the India. So it's going to give a huge competition to the Nykaa in the women's beauty products. So that's one of the high risk for Nykaa. And when it comes to the fundamental analysis, the Nykaa's quarterly results as well as an annual results are not that much good when it compares with those competitors, and the Nykaa's existing big players are really worried about the Nykaa's company growth as well as the future which is going to be happen. And the Nykaa has decided to give a stock of 1:6 split to stop the steep falling from higher highs to an all-time low. So there is a huge concerns which are raised on the Nykaa's management and the governance within the company among the big players in the stock market. And when it comes to the technical analysis, Nykaa is continuously falling from an all-time high to an all-time low. There is no pullback or a pushback for a Nykaa. So I don't see any strong support or I don't see any strong number of buyers accumulating in the Nykaa stock. So the reason this is not the right time to enter into the Nykaa, even the stock is trading at an all-time low. The only time which we need to enter into the stock is to break the negative trend line with a heavy green candle with a heavy volume. At that time, at that price, we could able to think whether we could able to invest into the Nykaa or not. But this is not really a right time to enter into the Nykaa stocks. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. For you, it will just take 5 minutes to watch this video. But for me, it will take at least 3 to 4 hours to analyze and to make this video. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.